Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is a 3-minute dynamic warm-up to help you get strong every day. Now, these types of warm-ups can be used for any purpose. Keep the body moving. Get the blood flowing so that the internal temperature of your body rises. Hence the term warm up. Simply jumping up and down like this has many benefits. It'll help elevate your heart rate. It'll help increase the internal temperature of your body. It'll help get your body ready to receive external load and impacts that you will put upon them with your day-to-day movement. Nice slow-mo of the shaky arms. This technique is really good to help you actively stay loose and not carry any tension within the body. Now I'm swinging my arms front to back. This is a great technique to help get the blood flowing around your body. You want to make sure that you're keeping your arms loose and you're swooshing your hands down past your side. The more momentum you put into it, the more you're going to feel the blood rushing into your fingertips, and that's exactly what you want to feel. Moving on to the deep squat. This can be a warm-up, this can be a workout, this can be a game. Do the deep squat every single day because there are so many benefits. I would say that every day needs to be spine day. If your spine is tight and calcified and rigid, you are going to be a poor mover. And I do not want that for you. I want you to be able to move pain-free. I want you to be able to move the body the way that you want to. So make sure you are doing movements like this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to find more ways to incorporate exercise into your everyday life. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.